Auntie. Today we're gonna make our second cold pack, and so here is what you need: citric acid, baking soda, tap water, ziplock bag, and that's all. So you see. So measure 1 teaspoon of citric acid and add it to a ziplock bag. So here's the citric acid. And we already added like the 1 teaspoon of baking soda into here too. So we did the opposite, but I think that would work too. So just pour a little hole in there. Now measure 1 teaspoon. Seal the bag gently and shake it up to mist contents. You'll have to do this next step quickly. Pour tap water into the bag and stir it. Okay, so we're just still gonna mix it first. Mix it up, 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 up. Oopsies. Mix it up. Oh, I did mix it up. It turned out like this. The citric acid it's like gone. Okay, so now going back to the hardest step of all times. Okay, you'll have to do this. Next step, quickly pour tap water into the bag and quickly zip it up. The bag begins to expand and becomes extremely cold. Okay, I think I'm ready. Not sure though. This is kind of scary. It's getting like kind of much.
Here, I'll pour the water then.
Okay then. Wait, how much do you need? Okay, just pour a bit. Okay.
Is it tight?
We did
Is
it.
it tightly sealed
yes.
up? Okay.
It's tightly sealed up. Tightly sealed up. Ooh, this one's cold.
Move your hand. Oh, it's freezing. What the?
Should we make a bit more? Since everything's here and we have a bit more. Okay. Ooh, this is so good. It feels like this is like...
It's like an ice pack.
Yeah, it's better than the cold pack too, actually, I feel like. It's like bubbly and like freezing cold. People will ask you, where did you get this cold pack? And we'll just say, it came out of the freezer. Okay, look at this. I feel so good. I could use it the whole day. Ah! Okay. So, this actually worked out really good. Really good. So, guys, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.